Hello foodies! Welcome to Rishika Recipes. Today I'm going to show you spicy crispy diamond chips recipe. This is sweet shop secret recipe. I'm sure you will love it. First take 3 to 4 garlic cloves and 1 big green chilli and chop them finely. Now take small coriander bunch and chop it finely as well and keep it aside. Now in a mixing bowl take 300 grams of all-purpose flour. To this add hot butter or ghee and mix without adding water. Hot butter only will give soft and crispy texture to the chips. Look, when you press with the hand, flour should stay in the shape. Flour should not lose its shape. Now add 1 teaspoon of Ajwain, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, salt to taste, chopped garlic and coriander. Now mix them well. After mixing, add water little by little and mix to form a dough. Dough should be hard, then the chips will be very crispy for a long time. So add water accordingly. Now cover the dough and rest it for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take small portion of dough, dust the surface and roll the dough out to a flat sheet. The thickness should be between 1 to 2 mm. If you make more than 2 mm thickness, chips will lose crispness. Now cut the dough sheet into small diamond shaped pieces. After cutting, dust with some flour. This will avoid sticking to each other. Now heat up the oil for frying. When oil heats up, add the pieces and fry till they get light brown color on a medium heat. If you fry on high heat, out layer will be crispy, inside will be soft. That's it, our crispy, spicy, sweet shop style diamond shaped chips are ready. These chips are best suitable with tea and movie time.